Kian. First stop,
Yeah,
where?
we got house.
That's so mean.
We're going to pick up a bird in Malinhead.
I'm okay.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
This one too.
Yeah, it's a nice shop. Curiosity shop.
Okay, we're gonna go into this curiosity shop.
Yeah.
Wow, it's amazing.
This lovely man is the owner of this lovely shop.
What's the story with the curiosity shop? Is it
The
like
owner
collection?
The owner is crazy.
Ah. Yeah.
It used to be a hobby and now it's a disease.
Alright, so you like collecting?
Ever since.
Oh.
Oh wow.
And now you're getting rid of them.
Only to buy something else.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But is it like how long have you been collecting stuff? Like this?
Do you know how bad my memory is? That long.
That long. Oh my god.
And the boss is rich.
Yeah, this is the boss.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Yeah, it is. It's nice.
That's where I had my first gloves.
Yes.
Oh, video.
Already.
It's bad down there. There's lots of them down
I'm sure it is, yeah.
for the last 45 years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Much appreciated.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
You didn't think it was going to be that hard?
Okay, thanks
Thank
very
you.
much.
Have a great
Thank
time.
you.
Great, thank you. Bye bye.
So that's Scotland, guys.
Yeah.
Kian, that's Scotland. You can swim going to Scotland.
We are here at the northerly tip of Ireland, the Malinhead. Malinhead is the most northerly point of mainland Ireland, located in the townland of Ardmalin on the Inishowen Peninsula in County Donegal. Yeah.
Where is it? Go over
Yes. Wait a second.
Because I want to use the footage. What?
Guys, maulog kayo ha. Malinhead is renowned for its dramatic landscape and beautiful beaches. Fun fact, in May 2016, over 3 epic days, Scenes from Star Wars The Last Jedi were shot at Malinhead.
You can see there's a lot of people now. Earlier there's not much. Parking is difficult, so you have to come early. If you happen to come and visit Malinhead, be mindful of your driving and keep in mind parking is difficult. But it's worth it. Nice place, beautiful view.
There's a toilet here. Anyway, before you go up or after going around, you can use the loo.